Hey, my name's Kyle. I develop web applications and mobile applications, and I built Bullet Train. I want to tell you a bit about what it is and why I built it. So whenever I'm developing a web and mobile application, I always like to employ continuous integration. So this involves a few things. For example, I might want to be enabling or disabling instant messaging for my mobile app, but I only want to target a certain set of users, or I only want to enable it on the development environment. Also, what I want to do is configure some of these features. So for example, I've got a hero on a home page, but I want to configure whether the font size is 12 pixels, 16 pixels. And I always like to do this thing in my projects, but I never have a single tool to do it. So speaking to a lot of my developer friends, they all share this same pain point. They always like to employ this sort of tactic in their development, but they don't have a single tool to do it. And they normally just write ad hoc bits of code to achieve this sort of thing. And they never have a single tool to go to manage it. So I looked at a few competitors out there. I found that none of them combine the two concepts of remote config and feature flags. Also, they weren't really accessible for startups and solo developers with pricing starting at like $80 a month. So I'm at the point now in the project where I've released it and I'm just looking for feedback. I've got a very generous free tier that anyone can just start using. And also, if you want to just host it yourselves and have it completely free for a lifetime, I've hosted it on GitHub. So check it out on bullet-train.io. If you want to go on GitHub, we've got GitHub, solid state group, Bullet Train. Feel free to send any issues, any bits of feedback, and I'll be happy to help out.